In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to go viral on TikTok, what types of videos you should be making, and what niches are gaining the most attention so that you can build your follower base and save you some time coming up next. So welcome back to my channel. I help you with tips and tricks on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. So if you want videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. That way I can continue to bring you videos that are going to be beneficial to you. But first, real quick, I want to give a couple of shout outs to the comment winners of my last few videos. I want to give a shout out to Shauna Hu and also Kay Miller. Thank you guys for commenting and staying engaged. If you would like to be featured as a comment winner on my next video, make sure you comment on this video. This way I can answer your question, and it could be about this video or any questions or new videos you would like to see in the future, and you can be featured on my next video. So as I mentioned, this video is going to be about the types of videos you should be making right now in 2022 so that you can go viral and grow your account. So this video right here, obviously there's a person behind the bush.
Thank you.
But definitely a shock factor. If you can make videos that are shocking people in public, and we who are scrolling on TikTok are seeing the reaction, man, people are going to say what they thought about the video, you know, what they would have done, how they would have reacted. Oh, I would have punched that tree in the face. You know, these types of videos that you want to be making.
That we be having fun in our Bible talk, so y'all know what time it is. Today's Bible talk is going to be about Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. If you never heard the story before.
First off, I want to pause that. She is excited. Her demeanor is lit up. You know, she's talking about the Bible, the Word of God. She's breaking down things that people want to know. People want to know about a particular topic or a subject. She's diving into it, and she's passionate and excited about it. 408,000 likes. This is also a ministry that me and my wife have, which, you know, is teaching people on deliverance and how to come out of things that you've been struggling with. And so to see her preaching the Bible really encourages me as well. You know, this is just a couple of examples of things and you feel like maybe you're already doing it, but no one's following you, no one's commenting. Maybe boost up your excitement, show that you want to be there, you know, show that you're passionate about it, and of course know what you're talking about. Now, hopefully I've muted some parts to this because he's cussing, he's mad, he's upset, he wants his money back, he paid for a drink, you know, but this right here would be things that are actually taking place, you know, in public. You know, I wouldn't recommend, you know, posting a bunch of videos where things are just going horribly wrong. However, this video has gained a ton of traction on TikTok because it's a real life situation and people are commenting on what they think about it. This video right here has 498,000 likes. Now, obviously, this lady right here, she's about to get her phone taken out of her basket, but there is basically a ring of people that are working together. Now, this is obviously reviewing the surveillance footage, you know, but it's a true story. It really happened. This is another type of video that you can make, you know, if you want to make the public aware of, you know, what's going on so that it doesn't happen to them.
They were all on the phone, kind of communicating with each other, and in the full video you can
see. Here, this guy comes up right here in the burgundy shirt, while the lady in the with the kid in the basket, and the guy on the right side is distracting her. Her head's turned. He takes it. That video right there has 232,000 likes. A train is about to show up. Someone was saying, get in the car and drive through the rails. That's obviously what I would have did. Now I'm assuming they probably felt like they couldn't because another car is in front of them. For that matter, I would have backed up into the back rail. That video has 2.1 million likes. This is just a couple of examples of things that you can do right now this year while we have a few months left that will help you gain some traction going into 2023. That's right, it's right around the corner, and if you're watching this video later, these same things can be applied for 2023. One of the things that I focused on when I got on TikTok was knowing what audience I wanted to grow. You know, and I decided that I was going to do comedy. I took a break for a minute, but I decided that I wanted to make people laugh, and so I focused on that. I focused on the types of videos that I wanted to make, got my kids involved, and started gaining traction. So no matter what it is that you are involved with, if there is some consistency behind what you're doing, you will begin to see your video pushed out to the For You page, and a new audience will begin to watch your videos. Rants are another way to gain attention. It doesn't have to be filled with vulgarity, but if you just want to rant about something, right now we are in the upcoming election midterms, and there are a ton of things that people have to say about the upcoming election and what we should vote for and what bills should be passed. And so that is a perfect topic if you wanted to gain a political audience. Other things will be dash cam videos. You know, I recently bought a dash cam capturing accidents. I'm not saying that that's gonna happen, but I have seen things happen on my dash cam that I have been able to either upload to YouTube on a car audio incident channel, or as well as help someone out who got in an accident, and I was able to give that video to their insurance company. But those are the types of videos that you can also post on TikTok if they're your original videos and gain that type of audience. Dance videos are super popular. They have never went away, whether it's you or a group of people in the video doing one of the current trends, or even start your own trend. If you can't catch on to a trend or learn a dance video, start your own. You will be surprised to what would go viral. And I wouldn't get caught up on viral. I would be caught up on, I love to create. I want to create. I like to make content for people to watch. And that is a good thing, because with so much going on in this world, when you scroll, whether you see vulgarity, whether you see people acting in hostility, all of these channels and websites that you can go to watch, you know, negative things, you're putting out positive and inspirational things. And so that's what I would focus on. I love to do this so that the world can be a better place. Comment right now, let me know, are you gonna try any of this? Have you already? And another thing that I left out is back to school. For depending on, you know, when you're watching this, for my kids, school just started last month. So it's back to school time, whether you're a freshman, junior, sophomore, senior in high school. You have an opportunity on breaks, lunches, you know, recess, depending on, you know, if you're in 6th grade or 5th grade, to capture content and create content and also upload it. You have a whole year of school to capitalize on something that you actually live out. And watch people begin to follow you because they can relate and are involved in the same type of thing that you're in as well. All right, until next time, I will see you on the next video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and stay tuned. I will be plugging out some new videos coming here in the next day or two. All right.